Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? In the past, I've tried recreating so many Instagram inspired makeup looks from very talented creators, but I've never tried recreating a TikTok one. TikTok has been shamelessly stealing most of my free time lately.
Hold it right there, ma'am, I'll be taking that!
And it was around the Valentine's Day when this video blew up. It went viral. Everyone was trying to recreate this look or do their own version of it. Of course, I'm late. May is one of my favorite content creators actually. Her work is mwah! She's adorable, she's talented, and she is very inspiring. By the way, I got a new camera. I don't know if you guys can tell. Now I had to do my little research because I saw that some creators had issues with the lipsticks that they were using. The lipsticks that some of them chose to use were just not transferring that well. So I thought, hey, Danny, you need to be smart this time. This all happened in my head very quickly. We need to learn from the mistakes of others. And also, don't forget to make mistakes yourself so that others can learn from your mistakes. That's why I'm always messing things up, keeping things fair and balanced. So the perfect lipstick for our look today, first of all, should not be drying matte. That's a big no. Second, it has to have more glossy, more wet finish. And third, and probably the most important one, it has to be super pigmented. Without pigment, we're not doing anything. And I found the perfect match. HUDA Beauty cream lipstick in the shade Boy Collector. This one is actually my favorite lipstick formula. Oh no! My dry lips really appreciate the formula of these lipsticks. And the pigment is absolutely... I don't remember when was the last time I wore red lipstick, but I remember exactly when was the last time I used plastic wrap. Hello! Because it tried to attack me. Whee! Why are you doing this to me? Oh my god, look at that. It's almost perfect. You can also see where my nose was. Nose was jealous of the lips. It wanted to participate as well. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. We're gonna place it somewhere here. My lashes. Moment of truth. It's good. You know what? This is not that bad. I don't know why I'm complaining. It could have been so much worse. This lipstick feels amazing on the lips. And on the teeth. Why is this lipstick so attracted to my teeth? It's called lipstick, not teeth stick. It's smudging all over my teeth because I have a very thick layer of it on my lips. Okay, here we go. Plastic wrap. I will confess you something. Oh, they're uneven. I'm gonna give myself a kiss on the arm. I don't see anything. This makes everything so much more challenging. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! I mean, it's not bad, but it could be better. This kind of mindset is ruining my life. Oh no, I can't see and I can't breathe. Ah, fresh air. I was this close to suffocating myself. It feels so good being able to breathe from both of my nose holes again. Nose holes? Well, I don't know how these are called. Nose holes. Nostrils? I think nostrils. I needed to plan this one a little better. I almost killed myself trying to put that last kiss over here, and I don't even like how it turned out. I'll have to do it again. A little bit of lipstick all over my lips. Okay, I'm gonna try not to mess this up, although chances are I will, but that's okay. Did I fix it? What is that kiss? Ugh, I don't like my kisses. What's wrong with me? I'm not even good at kissing plastic wrap. I mean, it's not that someone is there to teach you how to do it, but I'm good at cutting it. Oh, this one is nice. Look how juicy it looks. Okay, how do we do that? How do we do that? Ta-da! I'm getting better at this. Yes, I do. I was hoping that at the end of this I would look like I was kissed by someone wearing red lipstick, but instead I look like I was attacked by someone wearing red lipstick. I think they were trying to bite my eyes or something. I don't know, that's what it looks like. Oh, look at hers. Now look at mine. That's the difference I'm talking about. Okay, jokes aside, it's turning out okay. Now you can see that she was able to fit 2 kisses on her eyelid space. As you can tell, I'm not really good at planning things. I don't have enough free space available, but I'm gonna try it out anyways. Oh, this is not easy, you guys. I see nothing. I don't know what's going on. I just need you to hope for the best. Did you hope for the best? And we still got this? I think you need to hope harder next time. Let's try to do it again, but this time you hope hard. Okay, I don't see where I'm placing this. I'm just gonna close my eye, press it with my fingers, and hope for the best. I'm turning into a robot. Ta-da! Oh my god, oh my god! Why? How do I look? Maybe if I... Nope, it looks worse from far away. I really look like someone punched me in the face. I need coffee. Well, I can see it with my eyes. Listen, look, this kind of looks like a rose here around my eye. It's kind of cute actually. But I thought that maybe if I define the kisses a little more, I don't really know if I'm gonna fix them or make them worse. Probably the second, but that's okay. You know, we're here to have some fun. I think that this is actually fixing the situation, you guys. I think this is actually working. We can see in the video that she's using a lot of powder, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Whoa, whoa, oh, not that much. Wow, that was a lot. Wow. It's raining powder. You know, just a little bit of powder. My face feels solid. Believe it or not, we actually need all this powder to set that lipstick in place because it has glossy finish, it's never drying out. So if I just let it sit on my face like that, it will start moving around, it will start smudging. So I need something to just lock it in place, and baking it will do the trick. I really hope no one rings my bell because I can very easily give someone a heart attack right now. Boo! I went in the kitchen to make some coffee. I left a trace of powder behind me. I could see it fly off my face as I was walking towards the kitchen. I'm very easily trackable right now. Alright. Ooh, alright. Okay, look at that. This actually looks pretty cool. Check this out. So satisfying to remove all that powder and reveal what's underneath. Oof. There's so much powder in the air. I need to cover my coffee. Coffee, no. Alright, let's add some blush. I think that it's because I had so much powder on my face. Now my blush doesn't wanna stick to my skin for some reason. How I'm gonna make this work? Well, I have an idea. I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray and then I'm gonna dip it in my brush. See? That made it work. Oh, this is my favorite part. Now she adds an eyeliner and a pair of very nice, fluffy, long lashes. A pair of lashes and a winged eyeliner can take any look to a whole new level. I don't know, they just make everything so much better. Wow, those lashes are insane. These are the velour lashes, Fluff Yeah lashes. I don't know why, but I was expecting her to keep the red lipstick on, but she actually switched to something a little more neutral slash orangey. I'm gonna try to get a similar color like this. This looks quite similar to what she wore, I think. Maybe it's a little darker. She makes it look so simple and easy. You can see how effortlessly she's just peeling that plastic wrap in that TikTok video, and honestly it's not that difficult, but if you're trying it out for the first time and you have no idea what you're doing, yeah, it can be quite challenging, especially when you're working with red lipstick. Red lipstick is so intense, it doesn't really give you much space for mistakes. If you do a mistake applying red lipstick, everyone can see it. It's like a red stoplight on your face. It's definitely very out of my comfort zone. Red lipstick, I stay away from it. The kisses on my temples here look like kisses, but the kisses around my eyes kind of look like roses. But what do you guys think about this look and my attempt to recreate it? From 1 to 10, how much would you give it? It kind of looks like a mask of kisses. It's very festive. It screams Valentine's Day. Definitely go follow Microsoft on her Instagram. She is so worth following. And if you enjoyed watching this video, why don't you go ahead and check out this one over here? That's my makeup under a microscope. Or maybe this one over here where I tried viral TikTok food hacks. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!